What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Happen to be out in Puente Hills. So yeah, let's look around. My kiddo and his cousins happen to be over there a couple blocks away at Boomers. Alright, let's go check out the Champs outlet. Let's go. Mall is hella dead as usual, man. That's crazy. Alright, let's go look around. Up to 70% off, it says. Let's go. Did come here several weeks ago. They had a bunch for $10. It looks like they're gone. They got $5 CSG shirts. I'm not digging into the color, like a lot of tie-dye and stuff like that. All going for $10 or $5. Okay. Sneaker section, seeing a ton of sneakers. Pretty dope. Bunch of Nikes too. Pricing scheme kind of interesting because we've seen those cheaper at Foot Locker. $1.50, kind of high, dude. Kind of high. Some lows going for a decent price. Dude, got the Griffies right here. Starting to see those on sale, pretty fire. Air Max 97, 95s. I think we've seen lower prices at some of the other regular retail shops. Air Max 2021s, and then the Air Max Pre-Days right there. Hirachi price is pretty decent at 50, but I feel like we've seen those cheaper at some of the Foot Lockers too. Air Force One Lux right here, only $10 off. Material's just really nice on it though. Okay, super heavy duty, I guess. Okay. Then got some Hirachis, and that's pretty much the Nikes right there. Donovan Mitchell 3s, got a few of them, $60, very solid price. Do got these as well. The T-Max. Oh wait, they got more. They do got more. Okay. I think one of the homies, he saw this for like $30 or something at one of the Champs or Foot Lockers. Okay, the NMDs, these are the South Park ones. Does say Professor Chaos on the back. The Stan Smiths right here. This is Stan, and he's wearing the Stan Smith. That's actually pretty dope. Regular Stan Smith, Superstars. White and black Superstars, or the black and then the white ones. Rarely ever see those on sale. Wow. We got Ultra Boost on sale. All black, you really can't go wrong with that. NMDs right here. Got more and more Adidas, so he has to push everything that way, all the way to like right there. That's crazy. Alright, let's go check out some clothes and then we'll be back because he's doing his thing, you know? Checking out the apparel, of course. I got to start with the Mitchell & Ness. This is the biggest Mitchell & Ness collection that I've ever seen here. Those are pretty decent for $60. Look at that, $30 for those. There's a couple different ones going for $30, and then look at that. That looks like that's the authentic UNC. Man, those are going for $60. That is crazy. Remember, you can't use the survey coupons here, so you can't stack that onto, you know, already decent prices. Got the Mitchell & Ness Lakers jersey right there. That's a little much, dude. That's a little much. I do love Shaq, but that color, that's just a little much. They do got the matching shorts right there. The Mitchell & S with the Bel Air Academy from Fresh Prince of Bel Air. Got the matching shorts. And then a Raiders like hockey jersey, which is fire. $50. That is fire. If it was lower, like I checked to see what sizes they have and stuff, but kind of lazy to do that. Got Mitchell & S. Is that Mitchell & S? Is that starter jacket? I don't know. They have another starter jacket. Oh, I think that's a Pro Standard, actually. Pro Standard jacket going for $60. Those are normal, like $130, $150 something. Then they do have the Pro Standard pants right here. The Lakers pants, camo. Oh, that's the Dodgers. My bad. It's just Los Angeles Dodgers going for $100. Normally 100, down to 30. You got the Lakers ones on this side, and then got some Mitchell & S shorts here. Going for 30, I guess. Pro Standard shorts in the back. That's actually really fire. That's a dope deal. That's a pretty decent deal. And then that Raiders jersey right there, man, that thing is fire, dude. That is a starter jersey, $50. Dude got a plethora of Jordan hoodies and jackets. Really fire, dude. This is awesome. $40 for for a bunch of stuff. So these are sweatshirts, not hoodies, but 60 bucks for these. No, oh, 65. I think they're down to 30. Got a black one right here as well. That's pretty dope. And only 65, under 50%. We've seen this one at the clearance store. This is like a really good material. I'm just not a big fan of the color. They're on sale for $40. Normally $80, so 50% off. Dude got Jumpman jackets up there, going for $40. Those are very similar to those right there. Dude got the white Jumpman logo that's embroidered. The black outline. I don't know how much these are going for. These 40 as well. There's a 40 sign. Got some hoodies right there. Got a red one as well. More hoodies down here. XXX. Some of the sizing is going to be a little difficult though. But they got these in large right here. They got these in large. I like this one. I like that little logo right there. Normally 70 bucks. They got larges. Got the matching sweats for those. That's down to 30. Not bad. 40 is alright. I love black fleece, but black fleece does fade like so much quicker than all the other colorways. But normally 70 down to 30 bucks. Continue with the pair for a little bit, and then we'll go back to the sneakers. CSG shorts right here. This material is actually really nice. This is the Champion Sports Gear. This is their house brand. 45. It's down to 20, so that's not bad. Like I said, the material's pretty legit on these. This is better than the Nike. Like, this is like the lower end Nike, obviously, but I'm not gonna lie, I think this is actually nicer. Of course, it is more expensive, but they're both $20. Not bad. Dude got regular sweatshirts, normally $80 down to 20. I don't know about all that flower stuff. I don't know if that's for me, but it is here. Dude got larges. Dude got all these pastel colors. If that's your thing, dude, pretty decent. What is this, Champion? Oh, this is Nike. I've never seen what's called like that. I've never seen their tags look like that. But yeah, got Nike shirts down to 20, normally 35, long sleeve. Dude got Adidas hoodies, go for 30. Like these ain't bad. These ain't bad. These are they feel like my Nike one. Really good material, $30. Normally what, 80 bucks or something? Normally 60, okay. So 50% off. Cargo ones like that. Okay. Where did I see those? Those are nice looking. 40 bucks for those Adidas hoodies right there. Dude got that dope pattern up top. That's pretty dope. Dude got leftover East Bay merch. East Bay brand. Obviously that doesn't exist anymore. But yeah, you got Brazil. Like, it's kind of like a dry fit material. 25 down to $10. Brazil, Mexico, Germany. Pretty dope. This is just nothing. Okay. Got them in red as well. Portugal, Spain, just all kinds of countries. All right, back in the sneaker section, they did add more stuff. They got the Japanese 3 brand stuff, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Okay, normally $100. Another Superstar right here down to 60. All white Stan Smith. Got Stan's face on it right there, 60 bucks. Oh wow, look at that. Forums down to $40. Okay, damn, 40 bucks. That is hella cheap. I'm not a fan of this leather. That one's nicer than this one. But yeah, 100 down to 40 bucks. Not bad. I think he added these D Rose right here as well. The retro P's and the top 10s. I think those were all added. Got some sales on Puma suede right here. Okay. Oh, and this all black one too. I was like, why is this one on sale? $40. All black. That is clean. I like that. Y'all fools remember the Dreamers right here? The Dreamers. $30. So was this J. Cole's sneaker? Was it just that one black and colorful colorway? I don't know. I haven't seen one like this with suede on the top. That's suede and then buckle on the sides. I don't remember seeing one like that. Okay. $30. 30 bucks. Dude got more RSX. Been seeing RSX on sale. So not bad. Normally what, 85? Oh, normally $1.10. Okay. Kamikaze's on sale. That is fire. Dude, got these pumps. I'm good on these pumps. Another one right here. Got that hair. Yeah, that hair brand, the Club Legacy C's right here. Workouts on sale. And they got some other running shoes, Brooks, that type of stuff. Are these the Ghost? Oh, the Endorphin Speed 2s. They got some more running shoes. And then look right here, the 574s. I'm a fan of these. Just got the Bodega ones. This is one of the Ruggeds with a thicker outsole. And look at this, $40. 40 freaking dollars. This is one of the Ruggeds too. Yep, the Ruggeds. 85 down to $40. That's what's up. Do got a bunch of Vans right here. Got the Skate Highs. Got the old schools right there. Okay. And then do got these Diodoras. I don't think I've ever seen these. Okay, the N9002s go for $40. Okay. Alright, I think I need to go pick up my kid again. $40 for the human race slides, the boost slides. Checking out the women's section. Got some Hirachis. Not seeing anything super crazy in the women's section. The kids section right here on this side. Seeing even less. Mostly men's, huh? Mostly men's is where all the heat's at right now. Do got some Iverson, some questions right here. $50, that's not bad. $50 for these Kawhi ones right here. And still got some of these for pretty cheap, but I don't think we're gonna need these too much longer, right? Because it is starting to warm up. $10 for that. Okay. All right, they do have tons and tons of apparel deals. Mitchell & Ness, that was the most fire stuff. That Raiders one as well. But I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Do have tons of apparel. I have a lot more sneakers too now, but let's go. I'm gonna have to go pick up my kid. Let's go. I feel like I always say that, dude. All right, let me go pick up my kid. This is a government card too. Damn, fool, you got your thing jacked up, dog. Cause jacked up is not good when you can actually see the inside metal and your tires flat. What the hell? The hell's going on? U.S. government? What the hell? Yeah, it's busted up on the right side too. Damn, dude. Government workers don't know how to drive. What's going on here? Back to Boomers. I pick up my kiddo, or I chill here for a little bit. Those of you guys not familiar with the spot, they do have video games indoors. Got a little bar right here, okay. Then they do have a slick track right here. Do have a turbo track. The Little Thunder, this is for like really young kids. And then they do have a miniature golf. They used to have additional tracks, but apparently those are gone now. Now I'm looking for my kiddos. These fools are eating right here, okay. All right, we're done.